Makwela was expecting once she have a child with Musamseleku, her life is going to change. It took time. Even Mangwabe, Makumalo, and Mayeni, when they are married to Musamseleku, it was difficult to them, especially Makumalo. Makumalo worked hard. Because Makumalo, when she meet Musamseleku doesn't have even that restaurant, the first business they opened it with his wives, especially Makumalo was the manager of that business. So sometimes Makwela is expecting more things or to Musamseleku. Even those first mess disbands, Musamseleku surprised his wives. They deserve those cars because Musamseleku was earning a lot of money in Mzansi Magic. Musamseleku didn't tell his wives how much he get on Mzansi Magic. So sometimes he is pretending like maybe was the one who surprised or it's his money. No, they deserve those cars. Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Makumalo. So Makwela maybe thinks that it is easy. Why Musamseleku now he is fighting with Makumalo, that Makumalo have to sign, they have to got those cars. Because the person who have got power is Makumalo, even at the first time. So Makwela sometimes have to concentrate that she is on that program. Have to concentrate about her salary she is getting on Mzansi Magic. We know that Makwela is earning less because at that time they start Utando Nestembo season 1 until season 7. Makwela was not there. And now Makwela was on the part of Utando Nestembo season 8 and season 9. So Makwela have to concentrate about her salary, have to start a business or to do something with her salary, not to expect maybe Musamseleku can buy a house for her or can buy a car for her. Yes, Musamseleku can do it, but she have to do for her kids because now, guys, it's about 2 years. Makwela is still staying at her parents' house. You have to save money because what I saw to Musamseleku's wives, even Mangwawe and Mayeni, their money they can spoil, they can spend their money. I don't think that they are doing something like a business or what, but Mayeni is better because she have got a boutique, but you don't know what they are using their money because Mayeni was expecting Musamseleku to buy a house and a car again for her in Mangwabe. But when it comes to Makumalo, guys, use her own salary was getting on Utando Nestembo wisely, open business with her own money. So Makwela have supposed to do the same thing what Makumalo done. Makumalo used an opportunity to be Musamseleku's wife. You know that Musamseleku have got many connections. That's why you saw his wives, especially Mayeni doesn't have a job. Makumalo doesn't have a job at the first time. Musamseleku got connections to them to got jobs. You understand it? So Makwela have to do the same thing, not to expect Musamseleku one day can surprise her with a car or what. And Musamseleku have to allow Makwela to go to work. I think so. The person who's supposed to take care of the child is Macele, because Macele, she is still staying at home, do nothing. Or maybe to send a child to crash. What I saw to Musamseleku doesn't want his kids to be on crash. But many kids, they are going to crash in South Africa. You can pay every month, and Makwela to do something, go to work. Musamseleku, he have to find a work for Makwela because Makwela have to stop most or to demand money to Musamseleku. He have to find a job, not he is expecting Makumalo to take care of Makwela because Makwela's job is to have kids. So guys, I don't understand. Makwela have to do something for in her life. Because not to expect that Musamseleku one day can surprise her and say surprise with a car. Guys, those things are done maybe long time ago, or maybe she was watching it on movies. But in real life nowadays, there is nothing like that. A man can surprise you with a property or something. You understand it? So Makwela was expecting that once she married to Musamseleku, her life is going to change. guys, she have to forget. Makwela have to concentrate about the salary she is getting. It's better not to leave Musamseleku because she is the part of Utando Nestembo. Have to take that opportunity, not Makumalo to tell Makwela that not to post on social media. You understand? Makwela have to post on social media because now Makwela is trending to make money on social media.